So, gentlemen, how are you both doing at this stage of the evening?
After such exciting presentation, I think everybody is happy.
Feeling good? Feeling good. Actually, the reason we brought both of you together, Space and the creator of Waze, is because we'd like to know when the next space navigation, or the first space navigation app, will be created, because, you know, with commercial flights not so far away, I think this is a necessity.
Factor that the Waze and all other things are actually without space and without Einstein, this is closing the loop to the evening of today, it would have not been possible. I used to say to the people when we are discussing to try to explain why space is very important for daily life.
1 second, we're having a problem with the mic. Here.
I used to say when I'm trying to explain where we are using space in our daily life, I used to say, you know what? We are going to switch for 24 hours all the navigation satellite signals. I think everybody understands. We are using space in almost everything that we are doing daily. We are not even aware about the use that space is giving us. I'll go to that more later, please.
Thank you. Uri said that he falls in love with problems. Einstein said that as well. Can you relate, Amnon?
I usually fall in love with other things, but I think that I like very much challenge. And I think that one of the points that I was invited to come to the European Space Agency is that I've started to develop satellite at the university back in '86 in Berlin. So de facto, we started to develop satellite at the university where nobody thought. Today, almost every university building satellite. So they invited me to the European Space Agency to create a new program. And just to explain where is the whole story of success within the European Space Agency is very simple. Not because I was very brilliant or I had good idea. European Space Agency consists of 26 member states. So if the member state recruit people, everybody identify the person from Germany, France, Italy, UK. The chairman of the board, after I put the program of 1 billion, program of 2 billion, in the same 2001 it was, he told me, you know why you succeeded? 5 years, nobody managed to create this program. And I asked him why. He said, very simple. The Germans say, you are one of us. I have a German passport. The Italians say, his name is Ginati. He's one of our Mediterranean people, so we trust him. The French says he's not a German, so it's okay. And the British says he's a Jew. So can you imagine the four large countries who put 85% of the budget annually to ESA, actually they did not identify me with one of the others, so therefore they accepted my program.
Thank you, Amnon. Uri, you were talking about how the team has to be a successful team in order for the startup to work. At another startup panel, I was once told that there's no such thing as a good idea. There's only execution. Do you agree with this?
So 90% yes. Right. So the idea is very, very important. It might be even 10% of the journey, right? 90% is the execution. Actually, and the most important part of the execution is actually the team that you build around you.
Thank you very much. So it's a good idea, 10%, good idea in a team, and the rest is execution. So anyone out there for a startup, wise words. I'm sitting here with a Jerusalemite and a Tel Avivian, and we're here because of Jerusalem Day, and we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Einstein, the theory of relativity, and we wouldn't be here, and Waze wouldn't be here if there wasn't space. I'm wondering, Amnon, how has Einstein and his theories affected the space world? Does he get any credit for what he did?
I think not only did he get the credit, I think that Einstein have developed so many ideas 100 years ago that we today try even to understand and to validate what he explained to us. I give you one example. One of our big missions to space is to validate the gravity waves. Gravity waves, from theoretical point of view, has been put by Einstein 100 years ago. Nobody understands it. We have tried on the planet Earth to do different things to try to measure those and to validate. To give you an explanation, if you want to measure such a gravity wave, you need to be in an area where there is no gravity. In our solar system, there are not many places there is no gravity. Between the sun and the Earth, there are few points, L1, which the gravity field of the Earth and the sun are equal, so mean zero, truly zero gravity. We are putting in those points satellite. The distance is about 1.5 million kilometers, and when a gravity wave crossing the space, the two satellites who are connected with laser to measure the